Ideanomics acquired EV tractor maker Soltruck. But most investors have missed the pros and cons of this acquisition. It's Marco here, so let's dive straight into it. You can save up to 80% on new electric tractor in California. This is great for a California-based company like Soltruck, and this is huge, guys. I am sure that lots of people have missed that, but later we are going to have a look at even more important details that you have missed. And the good thing is that this program is already here, and there are companies who have already benefited and saved a lot of money, like the Mushroom Farm, that is an early adopter of the scheme with 80% of which was paid by the California Farmer Program. And not only that, guys, there is so much more that I need to show you in a second, but remember that I make videos every time any news comes out on Ideanomics and to keep you up to date. The Senate okays bill to certify farms practices limiting emissions. And this is really big because it allows the Federal Department of Agriculture to create a program helping farmers, ranchers, and private forest landowners earn payments through private markets for planting of season cover crops, reducing tillage, and taking other steps to lock up carbon in soil and trees. And so we look at the pros of owning the entirety of Soltruck, but what about the cons? While the future of mobility is likely electric, the big question is when. True, engineers have made huge advancements in EV technologies. However, the laws of physics will not be denied. Current clean solutions can't overcome the energy density of fossil fuels. And this is the very important bit, guys. And when these tractors take 3 to 6 hours to recharge per Soltruck CEO, operational capacity becomes a big problem. And recharging time is definitely a big issue, but watch this, phones and laptops could be charged in 5 minutes with battery tech breakthrough. And the research published in Nature could turbocharge the development of next-gen batteries, which are essential for wearing humanity off of its addiction to fossil fuels. And this is huge, and tractors will be great application of this discovery and an absolute game changer. However, that is not the only problem of electric tractors. Just like the EV market, e-tractors cost significantly more than their combustion-based counterparts. According to a report from industry journal AgriView, electric motors and batteries cost roughly twice as much as diesel engines. A quick glance at prices confirms this. Please note that Heckeroth stated Soltruck's tractors cost $40,000. Now, the initial price could be eased by state governments. However, not all states are like California, and this could become a problem. However, there are also pros as well. In a question and answer session with Clean Technica, Soltruck founder and CEO Stephen Heckeroth stated that his company e-tractors have one moving part and will last 100 years. A diesel engine has over 300 moving parts that requires constant maintenance. Electric charging costs are half or 1/8 the cost of diesel fuel. Over time, it makes economic sense to buy Soltruck products relative to combustion engine tractors. And so the cost of a simpler vehicle could be lower over a longer period of time. However, I think that we really need a strong use case like a massive farm showing off their Soltruck tractors, and you can bet your rear that I will make a video update when that happens. But sadly, the whole of the US is not a great place to grow stuff. And this is not me speaking, this article. The southwest region of the US faces a severe water crisis. Various media outlets report that reservoirs supporting multiple states' water have eroded to alarmingly low levels. While the water crisis doesn't bear a direct impact on Idex stock, obviously, it does hurt the agriculture businesses. Obviously, there is no point in farming if you do not have enough water. In this stressed environment, I'd say the chances of farmers buying e-tractor is slim to none. And so that is true. A lot of droughts mean a lot of sun as well though. Though it may seem like an obvious point, it should be stated that these e-tractors are compatible with power derived from solar energy panels. In the future then, it's conceivable that we can have a completely clean power infrastructure that may revolutionize the otherwise stagnant agricultural industry. Furthermore, this may inspire future generations to consider technology-based agricultural solutions, boosting a sector that could use the love. And so this is a bit of a balancing act. On one side, the sun and weather could help crops, and the other, it would make it worse. So now, what can we expect in the Q3 earnings? That's something that we should all be thinking about as Idex investor. Because I'm obviously an Idex investor myself. And so let's start with the cash, because cash is king. Ideanomics may have close to 415 million in cash at hand right now. That is equivalent to 1/3 of its current market cap. And so the cash is definitely not a problem. But what about the revenues? FREETRADE will contribute a significant revenue of Ideanomics top line starting in Q3 and beyond. FREETRADE is a gold mine serving a region with a population of over 1 billion people, where 2 to 3 and 4 small four-wheelers are extremely popular for business and pleasure. And remember, I make video updates on Idex news, and also the YouTube algorithm thinks that you will like this video that is on the screen right now. So click on it and I will see you in that video.